Dear students, today I am now taking a class BST, class 12, topics levels of management. So what is levels of management? The levels of management means it is the extent and amount of authority and responsibility a chain of superior to subordinate. A chain is superior to subordinate, and the detailed chain shifts created the organization. Now the chain is known as hierarchy of levels of management. The levels of management means now it is the superior to subordinate, superior to subordinate. Now this chain is management superior to subordinate. Now it is a link between the superior to subordinate. Now is middle after that subordinate. Now this is the called top level, middle level and lower level. Now the chain of hierarchy is the chain of hierarchy. This is the chain of hierarchy. The chain of hierarchy is the level of management, is the levels of management. Now it is levels of management divided in two parts: managerial levels of management and non-managerial levels of management. Now this is now they are divided in two parts. Number one, managerial levels of management, and number two, non-managerial levels of management. Non-managerial levels of management. Okay, clear? Now discuss one by one. At first I am draw the pyramid. This is the link between subordinate to superior to subordinate. This is the chain management of the pyramid. Now top level management, top level, middle level, lower level, now this is the platform area, non-managerial level. Platform is a non-managerial level. This is a non-managerial level. So top level management means chairman, vice chairman, board of directors, chief executive officer, CEO, board of directors, chief executive officers and managers. Works is decision on overall management, empowerment of planning, policy making, decision on government policy related to export and import, etc. The top level management, now chairman, vice chairman, board of directors, CEO and managers. Okay. Now the UDA is maintain the top level series. Decision of overall management, empower planning, policy making, decision on government policy related to export and import, etc. Middle level management now is departmental heads, departmental heads and deputy manager, next production manager, financial manager, human resource manager, etc. The departmental heads, all departmental heads, deputy manager, all departmental head, deputy manager, production manager, financial manager, human resource manager, etc. Now this is problem solving. Solving solution. Implement on government policy, next decision on personnel management, workers participation, motivation to employee, development in performance management, development in performance management. Clear? And the middle level management is very crucial. Now it is all departmental heads, deputy managers, production managers, financial manager, human resource management. Now it is taken the works in problem solving, solution, departmental on government policy, decision on personnel management, workers participation, motivation to employee, development of personnel management. Clear? Next, lower level management is office manager, superintendent, supervisor, assistant manager, etc. Now work is planning, assignment to workers participant, purchase of material, cost control, emphasized on pollution, okay. Now all these part is managerial levels of management, and these parties non-managerial levels of management, non-managerial levels of management. Now this part managerial level management is now input in top level, middle level, lower level, and this part is non-levels of management or workers participation Now dispute of workers motivated to laborers, etc. Now this is the total picture of levels of management. Now top, middle, lower, it is the manager levels of management. Now top level depends on the chairman, vice chairman, board of directors, CEO. Middle level, all departmental heads, deputy manager, production manager, financial manager, human resource manager. And lower level management is office manager, superintendent, supervisors, assistant manager, etc. Our platform area means this is the non-manager level of management. Now it depends on the work in dispute of workers, motivation of laborers, etc. Top level is the works in decision overall management, employment of planning, policy making, decision on government policy related to export and import. A middle level management is problem solving solution, implementation of government policy, decision on personal management, workers participation, motivation to employees, development performance management. And lower level management now is planning, assignment to workers participation, purchase of material, cost control, and classification of and control of pollution. Okay, clear? This is the scenario of levels of management. Okay, today I end my class. Okay, thank you.